I'll stay at pin 6. So we're step 1 tier lower, guys. Tier 4, pin 4, pin 3. 1 step lower. Tanks, be ready to pull them. So if we can pull those tanks first and just eliminate them immediately, so we can overtake the Zerg and overrun them. So flank team, kahit ubusin nyo muna yung around A1, no need to overpush. Be ready, guys. Be ready. Only tanks and healers gonna use the redstone, okay? Ready up, ready up. Keep killing this, guys. Around pin 6, guys. Focus the pin 6. Keep focusing pin 6. Sige lang. Now push towards pin 8 now. To push towards pin 8 now. Keep killing people pin 8. Now tanks, keep pulling them. Nice one. Good pull, good pull. Nice one. We're wiping them. We're wiping them. Now kill people above. Kill people at pin 11 right now. Careful at A1. Careful at A1. Don't position yourself at pin 7 and 8. Move towards pin 6 and 8. Pin 6 and 8. Pin 6 and 9. Pin 6 and 9, guys. Pin 6 and 9. Keep killing. Now people at A3. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. We need to cap first. We need to cap. Focus. Focus. Focus objectives. Focus objectives, guys. Come back. Come back. Come back. Careful. Pin 8 and pin 7. Only long range players can kill people at A1. People at A3, 4, and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back. Come down. We need to cap fast. Oh, you can cap there. Okay, okay. All good, all good. Spread a little bit. Spread a little bit. They have a sleeper. Careful. Ay, pa-record. Anyone can record? Mag-open rin ako medal. Also, people, if you can record, it's much better if you can record. Thank. Flank group, you can kill people at A1. Puta, nalaglag ako. Sige lang. Okay, Esper, you can play like that. You can kill people if they're gonna push from A3. Esper party, I think you need to push A1, then position yourself at pin 11. Help A1, Esper party. No, 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 no. Play Windsor, play Windsor. Esper party, you can play Pigeon. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang medal ko. Maybe later. X. Sige lang, sige lang. Guys, come down, come down to P9, come down to P9. P9 and pin 6, guys. P9 and pin 6. Everyone come down to P9 and pin 6. Everyone. Double time, double time. Let's move as a ball, guys. People at top, people at pin 2, pin 4, come down to pin 9, pin 6. Come down, guys, come down, come down. Let's play as a Zerg. Let's play as a Zerg. I'm gonna pop range. Tanks hold position pin 3. Pin 3 and pin 6. Ready to pull them if they fly down. Only tanks, guys. Okay, they're sige lang. Keep killing. Okay, we focus people for pin 8 first. Pin 8, pin 8, pin 8. Keep killing them. Now, devour your party, pop defensive, and absorb these guys. Absorb. Keep absorbing. Keep absorbing. Keep killing people at pin 8. Keep killing people at pin 8. Guys, focus at pin 8. Focus at pin 8. We're separating our Zerg again. Now we turn. Look at pin 3 and pin 4. We're gonna push towards pin 3 and pin 4 right now. In 3, 2, 1. Push the pin 3 and pin 4 right now. Right. Pin 3 and pin 4, guys. Pin 3 and pin 4. Keep killing them. Keep killing them. Sige lang. Keep killing them. Okay, okay. Now, kill this damage guy. Nice one. Again, come back to pin 6 and pin 9. Only tanks gonna hold the middle. Also, I need the scout at pin 10. Pa-scout nga ako. Spicy, pin 10. Kung mag-push sila from A3. We just hold pin 6, pin 9 right now. Come down, guys. Pin 6 and pin 9. Bear Party, how you doing on top? Position yourself at pin 11, guys, if you can. Try to grapple up. Sige, here's the thing. The Chinese and the Thai team's gonna hold pin 3. They're gonna hold the high ground. Only two parties, guys. Exocris party, also the Lawantong party. You're gonna hold the high ground, okay? The rest of the Zerg come pin 9 and pin 6. We hold the low ground. Pin 9 and pin 6. People on top of pin 11, come down, except for Alfran's party. Except from Esber's party. KL yung party nyo, punta nga kayo ng pin 11. Or, pag nag-push sila, jump down rin kayo sa backline nila. Okay, guys, they're looking at pin. Hook them now on pin 8, on pin 8. They're going up. Stop them here, stop them here. Main Zerg, focus on pin 8, guys. Focus on pin 8. Keep sustaining, keep sustaining. Now, tanks, pull them from pin 11. Okay, devo party natin. Keep sustaining. Absorb this, absorb this. Sige lang, keep killing them, keep killing them. A little bit of DPS on P9, a little bit of DPS on P9. Now, we focus the DPS on P9 and Pin 5. Hook them, guys. Sige lang, keep on killing them. Keep on killing them. Now, come back, come back. Kill this one guy, kill this one guy. Nice one. Sige, let the flank group eliminate people who's on pin A2. Okay, okay. Sige lang. Flank group, you can kill people at pin A1. Wipe them one by one. Careful, careful. A1 their Hulzerg is coming na. Di, ikaw pwede mag-ayos niyan. Mm-mm. Manage mo yung party mo. Pwede ikaw mismo mag-ayos. Ah. Okay, A3 is clear. Most likely they're coming from A1 again. Esberg, come to pin 11. Your party, your party. Careful, they're about to jump. Sige lang, flank group. You can engage A1. You can engage A1, flank group. Just delay them, just delay them. Just delay them for a little bit. Sige lang, delay them for a little bit. For the Zerg party, you can come from Pintan if you died. Sige lang, good sustain on A1. Good sustain on A1. Keep fighting, keep fighting. Okay, okay. I think that's enough. That's enough from A1. You can go to the safe zone. And if ever, you can come back to the Zerg right now. Nakabuff yan, nakabuff ng ano. Nice one, Esber party. Just snipe them one by one. Just be careful, okay? Make sure your healer is supporting you. They're slowly jumping from pin 4. Careful, careful. Sige lang, keep killing, keep killing. Focus people at pin 2 and pin 4. Sige lang, keep killing them, keep killing them. Focus the fight on pin 4 and pin 2. Keep fighting, keep fighting. Pabalik ako.
Summon Kerlem.
Yeah. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, guys. Keep killing them, keep killing them. Focus the fight at pin 6, guys. Pin 6, pin 6. Come down na, come down na. Sige lang, keep fighting, keep fighting. A lot of DPS at pin 8, Careful, careful. Keep killing them, keep killing them. Sige lang. Focus. Keep fighting. Keep fighting at P9. Push P9 now. Push P9 now. Keep killing P9. Keep killing P9. Keep killing at P9. Keep killing at P9. Sustain, guys. Sustain, sustain. Absorb, absorb. We have a lot of DPS coming from pin 3. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Sige lang. Keep killing, keep killing. Slowly push up. Push high ground, push high ground. Double time, double time, double time. Push high ground now, push high ground now. Their DPS are high ground. Nice one. We wipe high ground. Now, slowly push towards pin 7. Pin 7, guys. Wipe people at pin 7 right now. Tanks pull them at the top of pin 11. Tanks pull them on top of pin 11. Sige lang. Keep fighting, keep fighting. I pop summon stone. You can come back for pin 6. Keep killing. Let's focus the fight on pin 6, guys. So if ever people respond, they can come back immediately. Guys, focus the fight on pin 6 and pin 9. Focus the fight on pin 6 and pin 9. Ignore high ground now. Ignore high ground. Ignore high ground. Let the flank group handle high ground. Nice one, nice one. We were wiping. Now, double time. Let's push pin 3 and pin 4 in 3, 2, 1. Push now, push now, push now. Pin 3 and pin 4. Kill them here, kill them here. Nice one. Now, double time. Come down to pin 6 and pin 9. Spread around. Pin 6, pin 9.
Oh, you win already?
3 minutes, 3 minutes. Hindi. Enough yung summon stone natin for 1 minute remaining. So if hindi nila makap for 1 minute, we good, we good. Only Esper party gonna hold pin 11, okay? But they're about to push, ha? Be careful on high ground. I think we should let them play high ground because our summon stone is at pin 9. Coming from pin 9. Sige lang, delay them, frag loop. Delay them. Keep delaying them. Now careful, they're about to push pin 2. They're about to push pin 2 and pin 4. Okay, they're pushing pin 2 and pin 4 right now. Spread and keep fighting, keep fighting high ground, guys. Keep killing them, keep killing them. Sige lang, keep killing them. Keep killing, keep killing, keep killing. Kill people around the stone. Let's focus around the stone. Objectives, guys. Kill this tank on the stone. Kill this tank on the stone. Double time, double time. Sige lang, keep killing, keep killing, keep killing. Now, focus the fight on P9 now. Focus the fight on P9 now. Nice one. GG's, GG's.
How many?
Get inside. We need to kill the Leviathan. Hindi. Wala may-ari na to. Wala may-ari na to. Drain up to. Let's kill the boss, guys.
You fam.
It's okay, it's okay. Just kill Leviathan. Let's kill Leviathan. Daigon lang naman yung naglalag eh. Get inside. Let's kill the boss. You block? Now spread.